can see, I'm now in our own exam area to show you another product that will help you lose inches. And I'm here with Carol. Tell us what's bothering you about your figure.
I always seem to find cellulite rearing its ugly head where I don't want it.
That lumpy bumpiness. And what it is excess fat, a different kind of fat. And the good news is, I have a new treatment here that I want to try for you, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to need to have you lie down. And what I have here is called a well box. And what it is, it's an interchangeable treatment device that works both for the face and for the body. All right, I've started it up. So I'm going to run this slowly over the back of your thighs. Do you feel that suction?
Mm-hmm.
You feel that pulling? And what this is doing, by pulling the skin like this and rolling, it's stimulating circulation. It's causing a little bit of inflammation, which if you're good about it, you do this enough regularly,
using it regularly
will look better. It's not a permanent cure for cellulite, but it definitely will help. Now, Carol, you can do this yourself. You want to sit up for a second? You can actually do this for yourself on your thighs. Tell me how that feels.
Wow. It feels pretty good.
So, Carol, this device, let me turn it off for a second, costs $1,500.
Wow.
But you've been such a good sport that I'm going to send you home with your own well box. How's that sound?
Your own well box. Another way for weight reduction. How good is that on deduction?